Ask any automotive enthusiast, and they will have a favorite road, a place where they bond with their machine, forging an unshakable, unwavering connection. This often happens on quiet roads, in the wee hours of the morning, or when the sun retires to illuminate the other half of the planet. Moments when the world is fast asleep and it's just you and the machine. To non-car people, this relationship can feel quite irrational, farcical even. But to us, it's different. As the car carves a corner and it creaks and groans under its own weight, it's almost as though it's talking to us. Every scratch and ding on the bodywork tells a story, unique like the patina on a vintage watch dial. Mazda captures this relationship beautifully with the phrase Jinba-Ittai, horse and rider as one. Cars are to us what thoroughbreds are to jockeys, living, breathing extensions of ourselves. In this series, then, I want to look at some of the stages upon which such a relationship can be formed. I want to drive some of Canada's most gripping and scenic driving roads, starting here first in southern and northern Ontario. I thought we'd begin here at Middlebrook Road. It has always held a special place in my heart. It begins just across that beautiful red bridge over there and goes into the town of Elora, where there is excellent coffee waiting for us and some amazing curves to carve along the way. So join me as I start Chapter 0 of this series. Middlebrook Road is certainly not famous. Tucked away in an obscure corner of the Grand River's meandering basin, close to Waterloo in southern Ontario, it flows quietly, surrounded by fields and farms. It starts in West Montrose, and for the most part, it snakes along the river's edge. A ribbon of tarmac tracing gentle hills and long sweeping curves, before culminating at the picturesque town of Elora. It's definitely not the Stelvio Pass. It's not the tail of the dragon either. And if you're not paying attention, you might even just drive past it without a second thought. But for me, it's always been there, through thick and thin, a place to clear my head, a place where it all began. And here we are, Middlebrook Road stretching before us. I'm going to put the Mazda in sport, shift into manual, and I will shut up so you can hear the engine and the road. And here we are in the beautiful, picturesque town of Elora. We will drive over the Elora Gorge Bridge. To finish each one of these episodes, I thought I would rank the roads according to the quality of the curves, the landscape and the scenery, the quality of the road itself, the amount of traffic that you can find, and whether this road is truly enjoyable for the enthusiast, and lastly, how easily can you reach this road from southern Ontario. And I would take the average of all these rankings and post a final score in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. And do let me know if you guys have any recommendations for future roads.